Thought I'd give you guys a quick look at the Pacific Ocean here in Winchester Bay, Oregon. Decided we get out of the house and spend a few minutes together and get Gypsy out of the house too. She's been stuck inside with Dad. Only got like a minute of video left on my phone, but I figured I could get you guys a good look at it. If you've never seen the Pacific Ocean, I highly suggest it. It's an amazing sight. Nothing compares to it. Right, Mom?
That's right.
There's a ship out there.
Okay.
There we go. It's pretty wavy today.
Woo. Yeah, girl.
All right, guys, looks like we're out of time. Have a wonderful day. Again, the Pacific Ocean, Winchester Bay, Oregon, West Coast, United States. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. God bless you all.